Morning, I'm back in the Lake District again this morning. Today I'm down in Patterdale, which is next to Ullswater. I'm going to walk up to Place Fell, and then from Place Fell I'm going to head down to the side of Ullswater and walk around the end of the lake there. I think the distance is around about 7 miles, so we'll see how it goes. So I've just started to walk up the path, heading towards Boredale Hause from Patterdale. This is just looking back down. That's looking straight across to Helvellyn. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's snow on the top of Helvellyn there. Still on the path, heading up to Boredale Hause on the way to Place Fell. Nice seat there with a view. So I'm a bit higher up now. Views are quite stunning now. Fantastic views now. Down to Patterdale there, then across to Glenredding. You can see the end of Ullswater now. So I'm now at Boredale Hause. This is just looking back down towards Patterdale there and Glenredding. You also see Ullswater as well. And again across there, here goes Helvellyn. Up towards Brothers Water, where the mist is at the left of the shot there, is Brothers Water. So I'm still heading up to Place Fell. Another shot looking down to Patterdale, Glenredding and Ullswater there. And that's where I'm heading, up there. So still heading up to Place Fell. It's just an arse shot looking down. So that's the summit of Place Fell, straight in front of us now. But the views have really opened up now. To my right, this is up towards the end of Ullswater and the Pennines in the distance there. And a superb view on this side down to my left. Brothers Water over there. Fantastic view of this. Patterdale below. And you can just see Ullswater down below as well. So this is Place Fell. It's 657 metres or thereabouts. Point of view up towards the Pennines there, down to Ullswater. Still on Place Fell, looking towards Eastern Fells there, see straight across to Helvellyn. So I'm just beside the summit of Place Fell. Fantastic view of this one. Went down to Ullswater there. And then Glenridding just below there. Again, Helvellyn straight across there. Wool Ranger Fells. And then you got Brothers Water down to the left there. So I've just left the summit of Place Fell. Really good views from up there. Now I'm going to head down to Ullswater. I'm going to take a small detour. I'm going to go up High Dodd, have a look up there. So this is High Dodd at just over 500 metres. It's not a Wainwright summit, but it's a superb viewpoint. What a view! Down Ullswater there. It's well worth a small detour to get up here. Right, I'm still coming down from Place Fell. I just took this small detour up to High Dodd. I think it's just over 500 metres. It's not a Wainwright summit, but it's certainly well worth coming up. It's got an excellent view looking over Ullswater. Right, so I'm going to head down off High Dodd now, but it's a superb viewpoint from up here. I've got this great view of Ullswater coming down on that side. Fell in front there. And a fantastic view looking down into the valley on this side. So I've come down quite a bit lower now. But, the autumn colours looking fantastic in the sun. Fantastic colours in the trees. So I'm now down off the fells. Walking along the side of Ullswater now. That's just looking back along the path there, along the side of the lake here. So I've just come off the main path round Ullswater. Just have a look at Silver Point here. Really good viewpoint of Ullswater. I'm still walking along the side of Ullswater. This is just looking back along the path. I've just walked there.